What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I'm going to be adding my own worm bin into my garden bed today. So I'm going to bring you along and show you how I'm starting it. This here is a waste basket from the dollar store, which was $1.25. I'm going to dig a hole and bury it in here. I'm looking to start it basically right here in the middle. I still have some sticks and stems from last season in here. I basically want it so it's at the bottom of the hole, and I really don't want any soil to fall back into the basket, so I may raise it up just a little bit. So there we go. For the bedding for this, I do have some mushroom substrate that's basically on top. So I want to add a little bit of that to it. And then also some leaves. Just shredded from last year. I have strawberries that got moldy and went bad in the fridge. So they're going in there. Plus I have some micro fine shred paper. And I have a little play sand for some grit. And then I'm just going to top it off with some more leaves. I'm going to put the soil back around the side of the bin. And then I'm going to add some water and water this in. This is just rainwater from my rain barrel. So I plan on letting this go for a week or two, and then I'll bring it back and see if we've collected any worms in there. I used to do worms all the time. Now I went ahead and moved that channel over to a new channel called Worms with Rick. So if you're interested in worms, you can go ahead and subscribe to that channel, and I'll go ahead and bring you along and show you the different bins that I have inside for collecting castings and vermicompost to use out in the garden. And make sure, if you found this helpful, you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can follow along with the journey in the garden this year. It's been a week since starting this. Let's see if we got anything coming in. Well, there's one right at the bottom of the bin. Oh, there's a couple more. Okay. I do have some more scraps from work that I'm going to bring in. And since the last time, I went ahead and I added some broccoli stems from when I planted out the other garden bed with the brassicas. I did do some thinning, so I chopped it and put them in here. Yep, I'll go ahead. I'll put those banana peels and apple cores in here, and I'll give it about another week, and then I'll show you how it's looking. Finally getting a chance to get back in here and see what's going on with this little bin. Hey, there's some worms right there. That's cool. Look at the size of that guy. Okay, so let's see what's going on. You can see, got some moisture. Got some of the mycelium from the mushroom substrate. Oh, this is some food. I'm like, what is this? What exactly it is, I don't know. But it has a ton of moisture and the worms are really digging it. Yeah, look at that. That is so cool. Wow, look at this guy. So pretty awesome to see, guys. I got a little dry spot, so that's going to at least get folded back in. I may run over and grab some more leaves to add to the bottom because I have a whole bunch of bananas from the guys at work. When they have their morning breakfast, whether an apple or banana, they've been going ahead and keeping the peels or the cores for me. Hey, so what I'm actually going to do, I have a ton of dry material right here, so I will just add some of that. There's a couple large sticks that'll help with some aeration. Drop a banana peel in. Put a handful of the worms back in there. Add a few more banana peels. Come here. Man, these are some beautiful looking worms. Well, I hope all you guys enjoy seeing how these worms are looking. I'll add maybe just a little bit of this dry stuff on top. Give everybody a little protection. Yeah, definitely. Let me know down in the comments if anybody's ever tried this before. This is the first time I'm doing it, and I'm really loving these results. Go ahead and make sure you're subscribed, follow along. We'll check this bin out in a few weeks, see if it's still looking as good as it is right now. Well, thanks for coming along checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.